Today I will show you that how you can easily update Pinterest to the latest version. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to head over to the App Store, and if you're on an Android, you'll have to head over to the Google Play Store and then simply search for Pinterest. Now you'll have to tap on Pinterest logo, and if it says update, you'll have to tap on update to update it to the latest version. But in some cases, you may find the option of open instead of update, but you still don't have access to some of the latest features, or you're still facing some glitches and bugs. So in that case, you might have to forcefully update the app to the latest version. So in order to do that, you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone. Then you'll have to tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage, and then you'll have to look for Pinterest right here and then open it. And now you'll have to tap on offload app. Make sure to keep in mind that it will not delete any one of your personal files or data. It will delete all the cache files which you don't need, and it will also forcefully update the app to the latest version. After that, you'll have to tap on offload, and it will take some time to offload it, and then you'll have to tap on reinstall app, and it will be updated to the latest version and all your problems will be solved. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button below. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.